You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Polish village, as well as how to say more names of famous places included in Poland. Stay tuned. Przewodow. Przewodow. Stress on that second syllable, on the va syllable. Przewodow. Przewodow. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.